Cheryl.
Nothing like a control freak, I'm telling you. Okay, hi everyone. This is Cheryl with Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond Facebook group.
I'm Rener.
Hi everyone. He invented this really cool thing, but he can't stop controlling it.
Watch
but anyway,
this.
but I gotta tell you, he's awesome. Just a little
So I'm gonna show you something.
excited. What's your name, Jordan? Come
Jordan's
over here
here too.
Jordan, get in here.
Listen, so you guys, she told me about Sublimations for Beginners and Beyond. I heard it was a famous Facebook group, exclusive group, and Cheryl came by and she was so nice to me that I'm gonna do a custom offer for you guys on something you've never seen before. Pay attention. Normally, how do your customers carry a sweatshirt that they're not wearing? Cheryl, be honest, what do they normally do?
Yeah, of course.
This is called the fanny pack style. This is called the European Yacht Club. And we don't want to get down with either one of those. Your customers don't want to do this. So watch this. I invented the solution, you guys. You're gonna love this. Fully sublimatable. Watch, George. Look, tuck and roll. Everything we sell, ladies and gentlemen, turns into a fully brandable, sublimatable backpack. And watch this. Come on up, George. Come on up. George, look at this. Inside here, watch this, you guys. Look at this. Slide and bite technology. Look, slide and bite technology. Look, you tighten this up. And now, run, bike, hike, parkour, jujitsu, whatever you want to do. No problem. It's not going to come off, George. Trust me. Now watch. Tuck and roll. We're going to drop it down. Cheryl, look. Sublimations for Beginners and Beyond. Look at this, you guys. We're going to go in with the wallet, keys, and cell phone. Go in the hidden inside pocket right there. When this comes out, let's say it starts to get cold again. Come back up. It starts to get cold. I'm going to reach in. Cheryl, count to 3, please. Too slow. We're already back. We're already back. Too slow. We're already back. Fully sublimatable. Look at this, you guys. And that's just the hoodie. We also have waterproof. Look. Shake this, open this up, tuck and roll. Look, inside goes the water-resistant jacket, out comes the water-resistant dry pack. So you guys, here's the bottom line. Why would your customers ever want to be on a regular garment when they can be on something that has twice the function and twice the branding with Quikflip? Now, we're doing a very special pricing offer for people here at ISS, and the pricing is only for people who are here. But I told Cheryl that anyone from Sublimation for Beginners and Beyond who goes to quikflipapparel.com and creates a wholesale account this month, we're going to honor the ISS show pricing for you guys, even though you're not here. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
He's excited, can you tell?
Listen, so are your customers, and they don't even know it, you guys. So hit us up, Sublimatable. We're going to do some great business. Thank you, Cheryl, and congratulations on the awesome page. Very exclusive. One day I hope to get into that exclusivity and be part of that group. Much respect, you guys. Thank you.
Okay, awesome.